Hey guys, this is Kim Ward with Kim Ward Realty. I'm out at Harvest Green, a D.R. Horton community in FAIRHOPE, Alabama. This is Lynn Pace. She is the listing agent of all this beautiful homes in this community, and she's going to take us and show us around today of some of the beautiful things that are going on in this community. You ready, Lynn?
I am ready.
Okay.
This Camden model has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. So the first set of bedrooms has a Jack and Jill in between. So this is a front-facing bedroom, plenty of light, 9-foot ceilings, lots of trim.
Which would be how much square feet?
So this house is 2785 square feet total. Okay. So all of our bathrooms and our cabinets have soft close drawers as well as soft close doors. You either get your choice of granite and or quartz like this. So this is a Jack and Jill. We go over to this other bedroom. We have 9-foot ceilings, and the flooring is what's called EVP, engineered vinyl plank. So it is waterproof and scratch proof. And if you notice in the main living areas, we've got lots of crown molding. All your windows are cased, and we've got trade ceilings, so 9-foot ceilings with 10-foot trays.
I love that. That's such an added addition.
It does. It's beautiful. So this is our what's called gourmet kitchen, and in the gourmet kitchen you have an undermount sink with an island, and then you have a vented hood with a cooktop as well as a wall oven and a microwave. These cabinets, again, like I mentioned earlier, are all soft close. Here's your corner pantry, large pantry. And these have the quartz countertops on them. We've got lots of windows. All of these windows are hurricane rated, and the houses are built to gold fortification, which means you're going to save up to 55% on your insurance, which is wonderful.
Lynn, what is this lot size?
This lot size is 75 wide by 140 feet deep.
That's nice.
So these are our widest lots.
And you can put a fence.
You can put a fence up.
For all those little furry friends you
Yes.
may have.
And we are offering incentives right now. We've got a 2.99% interest rate, which is phenomenal.
God, that's phenomenal.
It's called a 2-1 buy down. So first year it's 2.99, second year 3.99, and then it finishes up in your third year and locks in at 4.99, which is still a phenomenal rate.
Yes.
Plus, we have different incentives in different neighborhoods. This neighborhood is offering a $10,000 incentive.
Guys, $10,000.
So you can use that. It's called Your Way Money. You can use that either for your closing cost, or we could put blinds in your house, a refrigerator, washer, dryer, fence. Those are some of the options you can use that money for.
That's incredible. That's awesome.
I'm going to show you the primary suite. So this is a large primary. It's got 3 big windows in here. Again, trade ceilings.
I love the lighting.
It's got plenty of room. So these are large chests, bedside tables, and a king-size bed, plus you have plenty of room for a dresser. So our primary bathroom is dual vanity, and your shower is upgraded. Instead of fiberglass shower, we have a tiled shower.
Beautiful.
Plus a tub.
I love that. Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
You have a separate linen closet here, water closet here, and a large walk-in closet here, and that goes all the way around. I'm going to show you one of the coolest features about this house. Lots of people these days have either elderly parents or teenagers living with them, so they kind of want their own space.
So true, so true.
So we've got separate living quarters over here. So it's like a extra master with a living room. But before we get there, we've got a little half bath here. Look at the size of this laundry room. It's enormous. It's the biggest laundry room we have in our floor plans.
Yes.
This is the extra room I was telling you about. So they all come with this bar. It has a refrigerator and a sink. So if you had company, all they really need is put like a coffee pot in here, maybe a little portable microwave.
Yes.
So this is like an extra living area.
Our guest suite.
Correct.
Our in-law suite.
Or a man cave.
Man cave.
So
Yes.
it's got a full bedroom off of it. It has its own ensuite bath. as well as large walk-in closet. And this would hold a king-size bed. This is actually a queen. But you have plenty of room for a king-size bed and 2 large chests here.
I love it. Hey,
So,
Roll Tide or Eagle.
there you go. We got both.
We got them both.
SEC. So we've got pretty much something for everybody in the mid 300s all the way up to 500,000.
Golly, that's
So
great.
all of our plans are 4-bedroom and or 2 to 3.5 baths, and we do have 1 5-bedroom plan with 3 baths. So we've also got several plans that have 3-car garages. The Camden, the one that we're in now, does have a 3-car garage.
And talk about a little bit about the warranty.
We've got phenomenal warranties. We got a full year builder's warranty, and we've also got a 10-year structural warranty. We also give you a 1-year termite bond that comes with the purchase of your house, and that's when your time frame starts. So your house is warranted from the roof down to the slab.
And gold fortified.
Gold fortified, so
And
it's a huge
give
plus.
me an average of maybe insurance.
So your insurance typically on a house like this would be around $2,000, $2,200. If it was not gold fortified, you could add another $500 to $600
That's what I was
on top
thinking.
of that.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you the porch. So all of our houses have porches on them. So this one's a little raised, so if it's raised, it'll come with these banisters on them. They're metal. And all of our porches come with extra plugs, and we also put an outlet up here if you wanted to put a TV for SEC football.
SEC football.
So we've got a plug here, and plug there. And so one of our options also is if you wanted to have us screen this in, that's one of those options that
your incentive
yep,
money.
for your incentive
Okay.
money. Hey, with Harvest Green East, we have this wonderful pool.
Woo!
It's got dressing rooms as well as an area that's covered that you can sit under, and we're the only subdivision that has pickleball courts.
In the D.R. Horton community. Y'all, this pool feels great.
This is our Elm floor plan at Harvest Green West. This is the model home, of course. It's 2,618 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. This is our Truland neighborhood. It's called Harvest Green West. It's directly across the street from East. This is all Truland products, and as you can see when you come in, we've got 9-foot ceilings, 10-foot ceilings, and 11-foot ceilings. So we've a lot of different varying heights.
Love the height.
These houses feature what's called a craftsman style. So what that means is all the windows are cased out, all the door frames are cased out, and there's a lot of extra molding in these homes, and it's all hand cut on site.
D.R. Horton is really stepping it up.
They are.
You know, and so happy for Luna that does all the decorating in these models.
Yeah, they
And
do.
I'm sure you can buy some products from
You can. You definitely can. So this Elm features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. So there are 3 bedrooms downstairs, and then upstairs has a full bedroom with its own bath and walk-in closet, and we can see that in a moment. So what we feature is higher-end granite and or quartz. We have gas in this neighborhood. So not only do you have a gas cooktop, you're going to have a gas fireplace as well as a tankless water heater, which is instant hot water.
Very nice. And of course, gold fortified.
Correct. Gold fortified, just like they are.
Less money on your insurance, guys.
So we've got the pantry here, which is right next to the kitchen. And then we've got, again, Jack and Jill bedrooms.
So
Isn't this
sweet.
cute?
Yes, I love it.
So I love this bathroom because we have what I call a makeup counter. I love it.
I do too. I like that.
So you can sit here and put your makeup on. We've also got a large linen closet. And then instead of the fiberglass showers, we have tiled showers and steel tubs. So it's definitely an upgrade, but beautiful tiled showers.
Yes, that's very nice. Uh-huh.
And here's the other bedroom. And all of our closets feature wooden shelves as opposed to wire.
Boy, that's an addition.
Yeah, these are super
Certainly an
nice.
upgrade.
And as you can see, lots of trim. And this is called coastal trim. We also have traditional trim. In our Truland houses, we have lots of storage. So we have storage here. We have storage under the stairs, which is big. I call this my Harry Potter closet.
I love that.
We also have drop zones that we build into all of our Trulans, which you could put your book bags, your purses, all of that, drop it right when you come in.
Great way of using that extra space.
So this Elm plan has a utility sink, which is great.
That is
Of
awesome.
course, washer and dryer is part of our closing package if you wanted to get that. And if you notice, all of our walls are smooth. They don't have a texture on them. I'm going to take you to see the primary bedroom.
Okay.
So this is a split plan. So you've got that side of the house with the bedrooms, the one upstairs, and then this is your primary. You've got a precious little bathroom here. This
room.
would be for guests. And then this is your primary. Again, lots of light,
Oh, lovely.
trade
This is
ceilings.
lovely.
So we've got this beautiful marble look tile. We've got a seamless shower, which is easy to get in and out of, will not leak. A big deep tub. We've got a separate large linen closet with wood shelves.
Love that addition.
So plenty of storage.
Right.
And a separate water closet. And this walk-in closet is phenomenal. Lots of storage and lots of light.
Yeah,
We've
this is
even
great.
got storage behind this door, so we've got like shelves for your shoes.
That's nice. And total square footage again?
It's 2618,
2618.
and this model lists for 612,000.
Guys, this is great. Any incentives with this?
Well, right now we're running an incentive for rate. We have 5.75% interest rate and $10,000 towards incentives. They could get blinds, refrigerators, same thing, vents.
It's great.
This is the fourth bedroom, which is the only bedroom that's upstairs. It's got its own ensuite bath, which is beautiful. It matches downstairs, so all the tile and the quartz will match throughout the house. This is our Blue Ridge model. It's in Harvest Green West. These are brand new floor plans. So it's 4 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage. It's 2277 square feet and it's listed for 471. Let's go see it.
Cool.
You notice with the Blue Ridge, they have 10-foot ceilings instead of 9, smooth walls again. And this
Love
is,
the molding.
isn't it beautiful?
So beautiful.
High-end cabinets. We've got the gas stove again. So we also have a tankless water heater.
Oh, I love a big pantry.
I love big, big walk-in pantry, tons of
wooden
rooms.
shelves.
Yes. And we've got more storage here for coats as you walk in. And again, we have another drop zone, which is great for bags and purses.
And this home has carpet in the bedrooms
Correct.
only, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So you've got what's called RevWood, which is 95% wood with a 5% vinyl coating on it on the floors. Plenty of room to entertain. This will seat 6 and or 8 people. Plus you have seating at the bar. And here's your living room. Plenty of room in here. You can put your television there.
Great open floor concept.
Yes. And back porch. We've got this cute little patio porch out back, and all the ceilings on our Trulans are all going to be tongue and groove pine, and they're all stained.
I love that.
And they come with plugs outside so you can watch television. And if you want,
SEC.
I know, SEC, if you wanted, we could screen this in. That's one
Yeah.
of the options.
Any incentives with buying this house?
Yes,
today?
right now we're running a 5.75% interest rate. We've also got $10,000 towards incentives. Like I said, they could use that to screen in the porch, gutters, refrigerator, fence, washer and dryer. So those are always an option for them. So again, we're known for lots of light, lots of windows, high ceilings. Look how big these doors are.
Yeah, all wooden,
All wood doors,
all wood doors.
double vanity, big
Love the
closet.
Oh, I love it.
Look how tall it is.
Yeah, that's great. That's really making good use of your space.
And this is a really deep tub. You could swim in there. Go see the rest of the house. Look how cute this bedroom is.
Love it. My grandson would die for this room.
I know.
This is so cute. I love the bed.
So this will be your third bedroom out of 4. Again, tall ceilings, really tall.
Nice
Another
closet.
walk-in closet.
Furnished beautifully. ever have clients that want to buy the furnishings? Okay.
We typically won't sell them because we'll move them to another model,
Right.
but the decorator does.
Yeah.
And then your fourth bedroom is right when you walk in to the right. That could be a bedroom and or office. Bedrooms have carpet except the primary.
So what else do we have in this beautiful home?
Yeah, so the bonus room above the garage has a separate mini split to heat and cool it. So it will be a great little getaway, an office. It comes with a closet. So it's considered a bedroom. And access to the attic. But isn't this cute?
This is great. Okay, guys, you have seen some beautiful homes in the DR community of Fairhope, Alabama. Let me be your buyer's agent. Kim Ward Realty, 251-979-7101.
And I can help you buy these houses also, along with Kim. I'm Lynn Pace with DR Horton. I can be reached at 251-680-5144. Thanks for joining us today.